How to get rid of urine smell outside, detailed guide. Nothing's quite like the smell of urine to get the neighbors talking and the dogs howling. Whether you've got a persistent pooch or a party animal who just couldn't hold it in, getting rid of that pungent pee smell outside can be a real challenge. But worry not, in this video, we'll share with you some tips and tricks on how to get rid of urine smell outside and restore peace and harmony to your outdoor spaces. So put on your gloves and nose plugs, and let's get to it. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Identify the source of the urine smell. This will help you determine how to clean and disinfect the area effectively. The urine smell may be caused by pet urine or human urine. So, it's important to know the source before beginning the cleaning process. Here are some tips to help you do just that. Follow your nose. The first and most obvious step is to try to locate the source of the smell using your sense of smell. Walk around your outdoor space and see if you can pinpoint the area where the smell is strongest. This will give you a general idea of where to focus your cleaning efforts. Look for discoloration. Urine can leave discoloration on surfaces such as grass, concrete, and wood. Look for areas where the color is slightly different from the surrounding area. You may also notice a patch of dead grass or plants where the urine has killed them. Check popular spots. If you have pets, there may be certain areas where they are more likely to go. For dogs, this may be near the edges of your property, or near trees or bushes. For cats, it may be in a specific area of your garden or yard. Check these areas first to see if they are the source of the smell. Use a black light. If you're having trouble locating the source of the urine smell, use a black light to make it easier to see. Urine stains will glow under black light, making them easier to identify. You can purchase a black light online or at a pet store. Ask for help. If all else fails, ask a friend or family member to help you sniff out the source of the smell. Sometimes, a fresh pair of nostrils can make all the difference. Clean the affected area. Once you've identified the source of the urine smell, it's time to clean the affected area. To do this, use a combination of water, vinegar, and baking soda to clean and disinfect the area. First of all, create the cleaning solution by mixing 1 part white vinegar with 1 part water. Before applying the solution, put on gloves and a face mask. This will prevent you from having direct contact with the urine and the cleaning solution. Once you are protected, spray the cleaning solution on the affected area. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to allow the solution to penetrate the surface. Now sprinkle baking soda generously over the area and allow it to sit for between 10 to 15 minutes. Next, use a scrub brush to scrub the affected area. This will help remove any urine residue or stains. Be sure to scrub the affected area thoroughly. Finally, use a cloth to wipe away any excess solution. If the affected area is grass or plain ground, you don't have to scrub the area. That step applies to surfaces such as wood or concrete outside your house. You can repeat this process several times, depending on the severity of the urine smell. Rinse the area with water. After applying the solution and scrubbing the area, if necessary, you need to rinse the area. To rinse the area, you'll need a hose or a bucket of water. If you're using a hose, turn on the water and direct it toward the affected area. If you're using a bucket of water, pour the water over the area. Make sure you rinse the area thoroughly to remove any traces of the cleaning solution or urine. If you don't rinse the area well enough, any residue that's left behind could attract more dirt and debris. This, in turn, could lead to further odor problems. After rinsing the area, use a clean towel or cloth to dry the surface. This will help prevent any excess moisture from accumulating and causing additional odor problems. Bear in mind that you don't have to dry the surface if the area is grass or plain ground. If you're dealing with a large or heavily soiled area, you may need to repeat the cleaning and rinsing process several times. This will ensure that you completely remove the urine smell outside. If the urine smell is particularly strong and stubborn, do the next step. Apply an enzymatic cleaner. Enzymatic cleaners are cleaning products specifically designed to break down the proteins in urine. These proteins are what cause the urine smell. So, by breaking them down, the enzymatic cleaner can help eliminate the odor. Before using an enzymatic cleaner, wait for the area to get dry completely after the previous step. Once the area is dry, apply the enzymatic cleaner to the affected area. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to ensure that you're using the product correctly. Most enzymatic cleaners come in a spray bottle. So, you can simply spray the cleaner onto the affected area. Make sure that you saturate the affected area completely with the enzymatic cleaner. This will ensure that the cleaner comes into contact with all of the proteins in the urine. This way, the cleaner will be able to break them down. After applying the enzymatic cleaner, give it time to work. Most enzymatic cleaners require at least 15 to 20 minutes to fully penetrate the affected area. During this period, it will break down the proteins in the urine. However, some products may require longer, so make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Once the enzymatic cleaner has had time to work, wipe away any excess with a clean towel or cloth. If the area is grass or plain ground, rinse the area with water. Finally, allow the area to dry completely. This means avoiding walking on or using the area until it is completely dry. This may take several hours or even a full day depending on two main factors: the size of the affected area and the humidity in your environment. Use natural deodorizers. Using natural deodorizers is a great way to further eliminate any lingering odors. Examples of natural deodorizers include baking soda, activated charcoal, and coffee grounds. These products are safe, effective, and readily available. Sprinkle any of these deodorizers around the affected area. Make sure to cover the entire surface where the urine was present. You can also place small containers filled with the deodorizer near the affected area. For example, you could place an open container of baking soda or activated charcoal near the area. After sprinkling or placing the deodorizer, let it sit for several hours or overnight. During this time, the deodorizer will work to absorb and eliminate the urine odor. Finally, remove the deodorizer by sweeping or vacuuming it up. If you are using a container filled with the deodorizer, simply replace the contents every few days to keep the area smelling fresh. Hire a professional. If the urine smell persists, despite your best efforts, you may need to hire a professional odor removal service. These professionals use specialized equipment and techniques to eliminate even the most stubborn odors. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.